Hi, and welcome to the Pico workshop. It's with genuine pride that I'm here to tell you about our PicoBNC NVH diagnostics kit, available to buy from our distributors and picoauto.com. Designed to give you the tools you need to confidently diagnose NVH problems, this kit makes use of new, highly innovative features that will help you find faults fast. Let's take a look. Inside, you'll find an entirely new set of probes and accessories. Using the same magnetic mount as its BNC predecessor, the new accelerometer is just as compact and simple to connect, no matter the vehicle, machinery, equipment or vessel. Compatible with industry standard clips, the new microphone has new form factor, making it easier to install and handle. We've also improved the cables supplied with both probes, and these 2.8 meter leads have improved flexibility as suggested by your feedback. Although their full diagnostic benefits come through PicoDiagnostics NVH software, both probes also work alongside our full range of PicoBNC Plus and BNC probes in Picoscope. The kit also includes new 3 meter PicoBNC Plus extension leads to help you capture noise and vibration from a wider range of locations. These leads are compatible with our PicoBNC Plus NVH probes, PicoBNC Plus ×1 test leads, and PicoBNC Plus current clamps. These new probes are available in kits of 1, 2, or 4 of each accessory type. The larger kits come with a heavy-duty case, robust enough to keep your tools safe, and it's also available as an upgrade for the smallest kit. So, how will this kit help you diagnose NVH problems? Well, the new kit is quick to fit thanks to plug-and-play connectivity. Simply plug in your scope, connect your probes, load up PicoDiagnostics, and you are ready to go. We've also introduced a groundbreaking 3-into-1 channel system. This gives you greater flexibility to triangulate mechanical faults, whether that's inside a cabin, around the vehicle or machinery, or next to an engine. For example, by placing an accelerometer in each corner of a chassis, you can also quickly locate brake, bearing, wheel, or tyre faults. Finally, with improved responses and dynamics, these probes help you to diagnose your problems precisely, report faults confidently and at pace. Thanks for tuning in. Please look out for this product's demo on getting started. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our social channels to get more hints and tips and helpful information.